Hey everybody, one great thing about pool construction is you can go completely custom. Of course, pool remodel, you could do some pool renovation, tear out some things, rebuild some things, add some things. Pool construction, you can go completely custom. So check out some features that we have to add that you can add to a pool construction to make it your pool for your purposes and your enjoyment. It's Sarah with Pool Pros. So today I wanted to take a quick video to show you some progress that's going on at a pool that we are constructing here in Hernando County. I'm going to show you some options in the pool that you may be able to see a little bit better as we are constructing the pool, to know some options when you are building your own pool in your backyard. So here this customer has chosen for us to do a rectangle pool for him. And you can see that the depth of the pool is actually in the middle of the pool, not the ends. So this is known as a sports pool. A lot of people are already familiar with this, but typically a pool, of course, it would either go from the steps with the shallow end down to the deep end on the other end. But for people that plan to do more games, have kids to do fun activities and so forth in the pool, their common choice is also a sports pool where it's shallow on both ends and deep in the middle. Another cool option this customer has elected for us to do for him is, you can see he has his entry steps there on the one shallow end, but we also are constructing the sun shelf for him. So a sun shelf is basically just another part of the pool, so this will get surfaced with the same matching pool material, but it's a shallow end. So as you can see, the top of the beam there, the water is not very deep. These two lines that are stubbed here, these plumbing lines, these are going to be bubblers. So it's basically a fountain feature that can be turned on for fun. One great thing about the sun shelf is a lot of people like to put lawn chairs, patio chairs, things like that, so that they can sit with their feet in the water. Some people put an umbrella over it, so you kind of get the beach scene being in the shallow water, which is really fun. Of course, then he also chose to do the spa over there. So he'll have the spa that'll have the overflow into the pool to circulate the two together. He's doing it with a heater, so he can, of course, will plumb his equipment so he can either heat just his spa or his pool and his spa flowing together. So you can see all the jet lines plumbed into the spa as well. Very cool setup, very cool feature, something we look forward to creating for him and for him and his family being able to enjoy for many, many years to come.